Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to run TikTok ads, traffic or drive traffic and track results in 2026, this is the correct realistic setup that actually works without fighting platform limits. Okay, so key truth, TikTok ads don't connect directly to Hostinger Websites Builder. They connect through TikTok Pixel plus page-based conversions. So most people fail because they try to set this up like Shopify or WordPress. So we will not, okay? So first thing, create a TikTok Pixel. So this is required. So log into TikTok Ads Manager, go to Assets, Events, okay? Click Create Web Event, choose TikTok Pixel, select Manual, Setup, copy the base pixel code. You need the full script, not just the ID. So install TikTok Pixel on Hostinger Websites Builder. For example, log into Hostinger H panel, go to Websites, tap edit website, and you have to have a upgraded account. Open website settings, open integrations, and if you see TikTok Pixel or ads, paste your ID, tap save, and then tap publish. So this is the cleanest option. Availability varies. Okay, so there is another option, for example, manual TikTok Pixel via costume HTML. For example, if there is no native field, do this: copy the TikTok Pixel base code in Hostinger Websites Builder, add a costume HTML section, paste the enter pixel script, place it on home page, main landing pages, and then save and publish. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.